Don't sleep in your dreams. Walk in them.
Repeat that one more time.
Don't sleep in your dreams. Walk in them. You hear me?
What is up, you guys? It is your girl Rob, and welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 20, and your girl is tired because I'm about to do my at-home workout. Well, I actually already started, and I just forgot to vlog this part. But I am doing a 5-mile low-impact sweaty dance party with Growwithjo on YouTube because it is wet outside and I still need to be active. So this is what I'm doing, you guys. We made it to the checkpoint, you guys. Hey, 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 hey. Your girl gotta do her 50 squats after this for the 50-day squat challenge. Hey, 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 hey. Y'all, we at another checkpoint. So far, I done burned 353 calories, and we're 33 minutes in. I'm dripping sweat. Get into it. Hey, hey. So you guys, we made it to the cool down part of the video, but I'm about to do my 25 squats. Yeah. Whew, you guys, that was a good workout. I ended up burning over 500 calories. Now I'm about to make my smoothie. You guys already know this, but just look at the sweat. Like, I'm tired. So you guys, I'm back from making my smoothie. I made this one a little too runny, but it's raining. Right now, I'm finna step outside and show y'all, cause it's thundering bad. That's why I didn't go walking. It sounds so peaceful, you guys. I'm finna read my book. It's been a couple of days since I read some pages out of here, so that's what I'm finna do next. So y'all, I just got out the shower. I'm just sitting on the couch drinking my smoothie. Probably about to watch something on TV for the moment. I'm tired. That workout was very intense, but I enjoyed it. Y'all, I ain't watching nothing on TV. My cousin ended up FaceTiming me, and then I started editing this video that you guys watched yesterday. So yeah, I'm just sitting here finishing up, and then after that I'm gonna eat my leftovers because your girl is hungry. So once I get ready to eat, I'll show y'all my leftovers that I had from Maggiano's. I don't know how to say that shit, but anyway, an Italian place. So I got some pasta last night, and it was hitting. I got some leftover shrimp scampi. It was good too. So you guys, let me show y'all some of the things that my mama had sent me. She sent me a whole bunch of little this, a little bit of that, and she sent me this wall decal that I put in the dining area. It say, "Faith, it does not make things easy, it make them possible." And then she sent me some lights that I put on the back of the TV. So let me show you guys. So like when I turn the TV on, see the lights? It look better at night. It changes colors behind the TV. So I like that. And then she sent me this blow up ottoman that I actually really like. I'm gonna buy a cover to put on it. I use it as like a footstool. And then let me turn on some light. She sent me this. It's a pillow cover, and I just put like a decorative pillow on the inside, but I don't feel like reading all that. But you guys see that? You can pause the video if you wanna sit there and read it. Yeah. And also, like, my family, they started, whether like the females, they started having like brunch on Sundays. Food burning up. On one Sunday out the month or a Saturday or whatever, is like brunch and sisterhood. So she sent me one of the glasses that they all have, so I can have here at the crib, and then this little thingy, and then I got a Christmas card. And then let's see what else she sent me. I can't even remember what else she sent. Oh, she sent me my game that I bought, my Monopoly board game. I forgot to bring that when we moved. I can't remember what else she sent me. Oh, she sent me some Bath and Body Works and 2 candles. I got one burning right now. It's about empty already. Pineapple pound cake. It smells good. But I'm about to get ready to eat the shrimp scampi and watch With Love on Amazon. It's good so far. It got, I don't even know his name in it, but he played on Half and Half Nots, and he is fine. Him. He playing this movie.
But she's not wrong.
Rome Flynn, I think that's his name. Look at him.
Don't leave without giving that young chick that number.
Ha!
You and I both know you don't.
So you guys, I'm finna get ready to put some clothes on because I gotta go pick up Dad, and I'm kind of sad because it's raining outside and I just don't want to drive in that. Look who it is. How was your trip?
Long, man.
Just got back to the crib, you guys. Your girl took a little drive out in the rain. Well, it wasn't even really raining,
You can't stop the rain.
but it was like wet outside and all that stuff. But finna get back to what I was doing earlier. Y'all, Thad drinking a kombucha. What's your quote?
Shit, I was exposed to, you know.
Don't sleep in your dreams. Walk in them. Hey.
Repeat that one more time.
Don't sleep in your dreams. Walk in them. You hear me?
I find a way to enjoy.
Yo, look at this girl. Talking about me. Hold on, zoom in. Whole bowl of baked beans, man. Don't make no sense.
They good too. I'm not gonna eat all of them.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.